everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, I am back with another makeup review video, and this one is another Dior 5 Couleurs Couture palette, but this one is in the shade Nude Dress. So I already did videos about this palette before. I already reviewed the shades Jungle, Black Bow, Soft Cashmere, Grand Bal, Tutu, and Tribal. I have all the links of those videos down in the description box so you can check them out. But today, now, I'm going to show you the Dior 5 Couleurs Couture eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Dress. So as usual, in the packaging, you already have here like a guide for a soft and an intense look. So it says to create a soft look, use the 3 upper shades, and for an intense look, use the 3 shades at the bottom. My nude dress is a little bit dirty because I've already used her so many times. I've already had this palette for like over a week now. I haven't been uploading for over a week already because, you know, there's just times when I'm not in the right headspace to film a video, and it's just that over the past week, it was just very hard for me to be in front of the camera because I was struggling with my weight and my skin. But right now I think my skin is recovering and I'm slowly getting back in shape, so my confidence is going back up there, you know. But yeah, I've already have this for over a week, so she's a little bit dirty, but this is what the packaging looks like. It's the same from all the 5 Couleurs Couture eyeshadow palettes that I have reviewed before. So again, this is in the shade 649 Nude Dress, and it has the suggested shelf life of 6 months. This is very small, so not very small, but look, it's comparison to my hand. I can just, so you know, it's compact, it will be easy to travel with, and it looks sleek and very pretty. It's just that mine's dirty, so I'm sorry. So when you open the palette, you already have here a mirror, so again, it's easy to travel with. It's compact and it already has a mirror, and it comes with 2 little brushes right here, and it has like the Dior logo here at the bottom. And I never noticed, but on the packaging it actually says here like what the brushes are for. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's indicated here what these brushes are for. You have a wide, I'm just going to read this real quick for you guys. You already have here a wide sponge applicator to apply all over the lid. And you already have here a thin sponge applicator for a precise line. And you have a blending brush to buff and blend shadows. And you have here a angled shading brush to sculpt a cut crease. So again, these are the brushes. So if you're traveling, you can take this with you and you're good to go because these are just so, I love them. I love this. Look at my. So again, these are the gorgeous shades. Now let's do some swatches starting from this shade right here. So that's the first shade. And then next, let's do this shade. That's super pretty. Also, excuse my nails. I'm so sorry. They're horrendous. They're disgusting. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I don't have any fake nails on. I haven't like done them yet. But now let's do this shade right here. You guys, these shadows are just super smooth. And then let's do this shade. I cannot get over at how smooth these shadows are. Oh no, I swatched it on top of the other shade. I'm so sorry. Let me do that again. So let's do this and this again. There. And last, let's do this shade, which is the darkest shade. There. So again, you guys, these are the shades. This looks so pretty. It's just so gorgeous. So I did 2 looks today. I did a soft look and an intense look. This one is the intense look, so this is the finished look. But I'm going to be showing you how I got this look and the soft look. I'm going to be showing you this how I did the soft look first. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this soft look, then just keep on watching. So first, I'm going to take this shade using my finger, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Like so. And then using my finger, I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to put this on my outer V. Now I'm just going to take this brush and do a little blending. And then I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply this on my inner corner. Then I'm going back with this shade and put this on my lower lash line, under my lower lash line, connect it to here on my outer V. So this is the soft look. So yeah, that's a very simple nude. For the second look, I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. And then using a brush, I'm just going to blend this so it looks seamless. And then I'm going to take this shade and apply it on the center of my lids. And I'm going back with my brush to blend so there's no harsh lines. Going back with this shade again, apply it on the center again to intensify. And then I'm taking this shade. I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. And then I'm going back with this shade. Apply this under my lower lash line. Connect it to my outer V. Now this is the intense look. So I'm just going to put on some liner, lashes, and mascara. Then I'll be right back to show you the final look. So this is what it looks like when I have my liner, lashes, and mascara on. So this is the final look. Now for my final thoughts about this product, as usual, I really love this. It's so great. Again, it's small, so it's easy to travel with. These shadows were super easy to work with. They blend well. The pigment is, it's just gorgeous. The shades are gorgeous, and it's perfect for your everyday makeup look, or if you want to do a no makeup look, but you still want that. I think it's just perfect for an everyday makeup look, And I think these are so worth it because you can see and you can feel the price of this palette when you put it on. It makes you feel and look so elegant and sophisticated. I don't know, do you agree? Because that's what I feel, that's what I see. It's just super good. Yeah, so I really recommend this product. Again, I've already done videos about the Dior 5 Couleurs Couture Grand Ball, Tutu, Tribal, Grand Ball. Did I say that already? So I did Tutu, Tribal, Grand Ball, Soft Cashmere, Jungle, Black Bow. I'll just have all the links down in the description so you can check them out later. So yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe everyone. Thanks for watching.